Hello and welcome back to Home and Style with Joy. Today I'll be sharing with you how I DIY an orchid floral arrangement that I've seen in high-end stores for upwards of $200 to $300. But of course I'm going to show you how to make it for less than $80. If this is something that you'd be interested in, please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those post notifications. Let's get started. Okay, and before we get started, I'm going to go over a few of the things that I picked up. And I picked up everything from HomeGoods and Michaels. Of course, first we want to start with the orchids. And I got these from HomeGoods and they were $16.99. And then I also picked up these leaf picks to go in the base. And they were $2 a piece and I got about 5 of them. I also got some grass from Michaels. And then the styrofoam that's going to go in the bowl is from Michaels. And of course the bowl itself is from HomeGoods. So let's get started. Okay, and since I want the styrofoam to hit about right here. So I'm going to add a little bit more styrofoam in there. And I'm just going to cut this up. So I just cut a block off. I just cut a block off to put in there to give it a little bit more. Let me see if that's where I want it. So that's still not enough. So let me do a little bit more. And if you like this style video, going over it as I'm actually doing it instead of showing it afterwards, let me know. These won't have any editing, as you can see, but I hate showing y'all videos where I be struggling because I'm always my struggle videos trying to do this stuff myself. But okay, got it done. So let's see. Okay, that's good. So I'm going to just take off the plastic. And put it on like so. Now I'm going to put the flowers in.
So I'm just going to cancel out the background noise and speed up the video just a bit. What I'm showing you now is how I place the orchids inside the styrofoam, and I just randomly place them. I have 6, so I'm going to place them in a circular motion around the styrofoam. Okay, so I didn't edit that out. That was kind of funny. The flowers falling over. It happens. Okay, so now that I have them all in there, I'm going to fold the orchid branches in a downward motion to make them look more natural. Now just adding the moss grass to fill in the bowls. Lastly, I'm going to add the leaf picks.
And look at that. It's going to be the center of attraction.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at Miss Joy Clary for your daily dose of home decor.